Hey guys, Omarete Vilato here, the basement production. We are in the middle of a snowstorm. You can see around me, it is snowing heavily. You see how it looks. We probably have like easily, like I could say so far, like 5 inches of snow. Probably it's gonna snow more. We are expecting here in my area easily like 8 inches of snow, if not more. It is crazy. You see the trucks are going very slow. The cars are going very slow because it's very scary out there. I'm in my front yard and it's snowing heavily. Now I'm gonna try to clean my driveway and let's see what happens. So enjoy the video. This is the second snowstorm of the year or 2024. So there you have it. This is New York, New York, New York. By the way, I have a snow machine, but unfortunately I got two flat tires. So I'm gonna take my machine or the tires to a place where they could fix it, so I don't have to do this. But for now, this is what I got. We are getting there. Slowly we are getting there. See? I got a little bit more to go on top and we should be done. I'm gonna put salt on it, throw salt, and we should be perfect. So stay tuned for more. Omarete Vilato, the basement production. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning the driveway. As you can see, it's clean. I also cleaned the entrance. As you can see. And the stairs. Okay? It's not easy, but someone gotta do it, and that someone was me. Okay guys, this is the salt that I got at BJ's. 50 pounders. It only costs $22, so I'm gonna give it a try and hope for the best. For those who might be asking why I don't go to Home Depot or Lowe's and purchase one of those little cart that you could put the seed on it or salt and spread it across. Well, let me tell you, I have one in my garage, but it's so deep buried inside my garage that I really don't have time for it. So I went with this resource, the hand-based one, which is take a long time, but it do the trick. I'm tired, but I gotta continue. Keep watching. Almost done. I think a few more minutes and I should be able to pull my car out and go on my business. Thank you for watching. So thank you for watching. I'm not even gonna record putting salt on my entrance to my house because I'm very tired. Once again, thank you for watching. Omarete Vilato, best in production.